So welcome to the December edition of the top 3 movie and TV streaming websites, which are all 100% free, 100% legal, and don't require any kind of registration. Now, the first one we have in the list is actually tdoctoruk. Now, this website has gone through a massive update, massive redesign. You can see directly on the homepage, it says free movies and TV, fewer ads than cable, no subscription is required. I can click on start watching, takes me straight to the home screen. I can now see a menu at the top where we have options to browse different genres, click on movies, TV shows, live TV, even Spanish content, and To Be Kids. Let's start with movies. And you can see, guys, in less than a few seconds, I now have access to a massive repository of movies I can access directly on the homepage. All your favorite genres, from romantic to martial arts to sci-fi, lots and lots of different things. For example, I want to watch this family content. I can click on that, one click on play, and in less than a few seconds, we are now streaming that content directly on our device. So super easy to use, and that's working absolutely fine. If I click on one of these for a quick test, let's try this one here, Amazing Animals. And you can see, guys, it's not just one episode. You've actually got the entire season here. So all episodes are included. Let's try one of these for a quick test. Just to show you that it's not just one episode, one movie, one TV show, as this is an official licensed website. Everything is working straight away and in glorious high definition. So that's the first one in the list, which is tubetv.com. The next one in the list is YouTube. Now, many people don't know that YouTube actually has a large library of ad-supported free movies that anybody can enjoy, again, without requiring any sign up. As you can see directly on the homepage, we have this dedicated section here called Movies and TV. If I click on that, we can see we can browse movies. Now, these are the movies that you have to pay for, which you can rent out. But in this example, we're looking for the free movies, which are ad supported, which is a second option here. So if I click on that, and I can now see a massive library of movies, all again, which are 100% free, that I can enjoy on any device without requiring any sign up. Here, for example, is the classic Shaun the Sheep movie. I can click on that, give that a second, and that starts streaming straight away. And of course, as this is YouTube, you're not going to have any issues with buffering or lag or stuttering. These guys have definitely got the bandwidth to ensure you can enjoy all of this content buffer free. That's working fine. I can even forward that a bit. And that's the classic Shaun the Sheep. So that's the second one in the list, which is youtube.com. Next up, we have crackle.com. Now, this really has one of the largest libraries of free movies and TV shows on any free platform. So you can see directly on the homepage, we have a section for TV shows. We have a large library there. And we have movies. Let's start with movies. And you also have the genres or the categories here. So again, if I'm only interested in British movies, I can click on that. That very quickly filters out the content and shows me all of the British movies only. For example, I'm interested in family movies. Again, I can click on that and then see all of that content in here. So if I want to see Wizard's Quest, I can click on that. Click on Watch Now, just to show you that everything is working. All of the content in here, as these are official licensed websites, all of the content will work. It will work straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content 100% free and of course 100% legally. That's working great. I can forward that a bit. So that's the third one in the list, which is crackle.com. Next up in the list we have is voodoo.com. Now, they do have lots of content on their website, but what we're interested in is the free section. So again, we can see there's a free section here, and I can click on view all free movies and TV, and I then see this list here. So again, lots of new sections, lots of content, the top 200 free movies, top 200 free TV. Here, for example, we have sliding tours, just for a quick test. I can click on that. I can then see all of the episodes in this particular series. I can click on watch free, and that's working straight away. Let's back out of that. As you can see, guys, just pages and pages of free content on voodoo.com. The only thing is this website does require a quick free registration that takes less than 30 seconds. You can use any temporary email address. Once you've logged in, you can go ahead and watch all of this content absolutely free. So that's the next one in the list, which is voodoo.com. The next one in the list is Sling Freestream. Now, these guys have a massive section of live channels that you can enjoy absolutely free, again, without requiring any registration. But they've also got a large on-demand section. I can click on that now. And you can now see all of this VOD, video on demand content. So everything from your reality TV to your paranormal, to your documentaries, to your adventure TV, lots of great stuff. You also have these sections at the top here. So I can say I'm interested just in movies. Let's click on that. That then filters out the content. And I now see all of the free movies in here. So everything from your James Bond to your Infiltrator to your Bite to lots of different things. For a quick test, if I just try Blitz, let's click on that. I can now click on Watch Now. And in a couple of seconds, once again, we are streaming that movie. That's working great. I can forward that a bit. That's working absolutely fine. So that's the next one in the list, which is Sling Freestream. The next one in the list is Zumo Play. So one of my favorite websites for a long time. They offer TV shows, movies, and a very large collection of live channels with a fully working program guide, which you can see here if I click on Live Guide. Just for a quick test, just so you can see the sheer volume of channels you can get on this website. That's working great. But again, we're interested in free movies and TV shows. So I can click on that at the top here. Now you can see it, guys, just a massive library of free movies, all sorted out in proper categories that you can enjoy absolutely free. You got categories like suspense, mystery, drama, adventure, black cinema, classics, documentaries, kids and family, Asian, Bollywood and Indian, and faith and spirituality, lots of different things. Here, for example, we can see Alien AI. Let's click on that. I can click on play. And you can see, guys, every single thing is working. It's working straight away. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content on all of these different websites. Absolutely free. I can forward that a bit. That's working absolutely fine. So if you're into your aliens or abductions, you've got some good options in here. So that's the next one in the list, which is zumoplay.com. The next one in the list is Plex TV. So again, they've got a great library. They have some live TV content, some TV shows, and of course, movies. Here, for example, you can see Plex Picks. So you've got Snowpiercer, you've got War, you've got Ghost Show, you've got Source Code, lots of different things. You can just see, guys, again, just pages and pages of content in here. So I'm interested in most popular in the US. Let's click on that. I can now see all of this content in here, ready to enjoy. Here, for example, is Source Code. Click on that. It says watch for free. I can click on that. And again, in a few seconds, I'm now enjoying this movie, and that's working absolutely fine. I can also forward that a bit. That's working great. So that's Source Code there. Let's go back. Here you can see recently added. If you want to see some of the newer stuff that's been added to Plex. And you can see all of the content in there. That's the next one on the list, which is Plex TV. And last, and by no means least, we have one of the OGs, plutotv.com. Again, they've got a massive library. They've got lots of live TV content, but they also have a big on-demand library. So you can see the content here. You've got movies, you've got comedy, you've got classic TV. Let's click on movies. That then filters out the content. And I can now see all of those free movies included. So here, for example, is this one over here, one of your favorite superheroes. I can click on Watch Now, give that a second, and we are now streaming that, and that's working absolutely fine. That's working great. Got some Spidey action over there. Let's back out of that. So again, you can see, guys, there's pages and pages of free movies, all properly categorized, that you can enjoy really on any device, just with the browser, and again, without requiring any kind of login. Now, some of these websites may check to see, are you in a supported region? As you can see on my device, I'm using a VPN to change my virtual location. This means any website that I try to access thinks I'm accessing that website from New York. Now, if you are looking for the easiest and fastest way to change your IP address, really just access content from all over the world. Right now, there's a super special offer where you can get a really fast VPN. We can see on my device connected to a VPN server in New York, I'm easily pushing over 400 meg downstream. I mean, when I saw these speeds, I was just so impressed. And this is why I've been recommending Surfshark over the last couple of weeks. It really just seems to be a super fast VPN, has unlimited connections. Doesn't matter if you have 5 Fire Sticks, 10 Android TVs, 11 laptops, all of your devices can be covered with a single license. And to get all of that for $1.99 a month, so cheaper than a cup of coffee with 4 months extra free, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.